Hey, you know what time it is? It's time to start earning big, fast, and constantly. With this free sign up tutorial, you'll learn how to sign up to one of the best crypto bank in the world. With over 49,000 million market cap and over 150 billion total supply. That's exactly what I'm doing here today, as I'm going to teach you how to sign up to one of the best cryptocurrency bank in the world. But before that, what is Binance? Binance is the cryptocurrency coin that powers the BNB chain ecosystem and one of the world's most popular utility tokens. Not only can you trade BNB like any other cryptocurrency, you can also use BNB in a wide range of applications and use cases. Second, what to expect? You will be part of a 90 million user community sharing ideas, content, and information. The ability to trade over 350 tokens from all over the world with Binance Convert flexibility with zero fee percentage, 100 USDT sign up bonus with my referral code, the ability to earn more staking assets and support future projects, the ability to mine Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and much more. 24/7 trading accessibility on a peer-to-peer spot future simple earn and margin wallet platforms. Third, what are you going to need and how is it possible to sign up with Binance? First of all, it is possible just with your cell phone, tablet, and PC. The registration has to be validated, so I recommend you to use your real name in order to withhold full access to the platform. What are the steps you're going to follow? Number one, your digital identification address or email. I recommend you to use a personal email address. 3. Password. You want to make sure you use an uppercase, numbers, and lowercase. Enter my referral code right there. Now, let's start learning how to create an account from scratch. Create personal account. First, you gotta decide you're gonna use your email, phone number, or whatever you want. So this is the free code here. You're gonna check this checkbox here. Then you're gonna go back to your email checkbox, and you're gonna start typing your email. You want to make sure that the email you use is easy to memorize. I'll recommend you to use your name if you want to use your name, or you can use whatever substitute you want to use as your characters for your email account. Now, the password, you want to make sure that your password has lowercase numbers and uppercase, or it doesn't matter the order how you do it. You want to make sure that referral code here is checked. That's my referral code, so you want to use that. Once we've done that, we can go ahead and hit confirm button here, and we're good to go. So it's give us a couple of minutes here before it loads up the page, and then we're gonna go to email verification box. So once it gives us the email verification code, it's gonna take a minute here, because I gotta receive the email verification code. So once I get that, I'm gonna put that in here, and then what's gonna happen is we're gonna it's gonna log us into Binance platform. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this video here a little bit so we can speed up the process a little. Okay, great. So we got our email verification code. So we're gonna put it in now. So we're gonna hit the submit button, and what is gonna happen is it's gonna tell us we are verified, and then we're gonna log into Binance platform page. Once we log into Binance, it's gonna give us a message. It's gonna say you have collected all personalized rewards. Unlock them now. What this means is you now have access. You have granted access to Binance platform. All right. What is next is to verify your account. Now, to verify your account, you can easily follow the steps. But on this note, I will be making another tutorial video like this one to teach you step by step on how to verify your account. But if meanwhile you like to explore the Binance platform a little bit, I recommend you to just go here in the little icon here. This will be all your inside information in the Binance platform application. Now, as you can see, you will have here, it says, for me it says unverified because I haven't verified this account yet. But you got dashboard, you got security, you got identification, you got a referral code. This will be your referral code, so in case in the near future, when you want to make your sister, your cousin, or whoever wants to sign up, your best friend, you can just go click here and give them your referral code, and they'll be able to sign that to the Binance platform as well, and you will be rewarded with 100 USDT token as you referred a friend or family, and they will also be rewarded 100 USDT token. This USDT is a representation of your fiat money that you're deposit to your account. So if you deposit dollars or whatever currency you use in your region or country, whatever, you can convert that into the USDT token in Binance platform. Let's see, Binance has all these different options to trade. There's Binance Convert, then you got Spot Wallet, then you got Margin, you got Strategy Trading, you got P2P, which is a peer-to-peer trading option, Swap Farming, Fan Token, Binance OTC. In a different video, I will be explaining step by step what all this means here, all these options here means. But for now, what you need to know is the most important one, which is Binance Convert. With Binance Convert, you can convert any tokens from the Binance platform, which is I think it's about 350 different tokens that you can convert with a 0 fee percentage. So if you want to convert BTC, which is Bitcoin, to USDT or another different token, you can do that with a 0 fee percentage. Now here you got earn. This is the one you want to know a lot about, because here's the easiest way how you can earn your money in the Binance platform. You can use Binance Earn, Simple Earn, and all these other different options here to earn. This earn means that you're gonna be staking your asset, and this is gonna give you interest on the amount of time that you select, or the asset that you pick, or whatever method you implement to earn your extra income. Now you can earn with various ways with Binance. This is the earning section here. The most simple one, most useful one, I don't know, maybe the one that is more easy to use, I could say, is the simple earn in Binance, because here you can do flexible earning, or you can do a long period earning from 30 days to 60 days, 90 to 120 days, and depending on how long you choose to stake your earning,
That's how much percentage you'll be earning at the end of the period that you pick. For example, if you pick um, flexible, it means that you can switch on and off every 24 hours. You'll be receiving your reward interest. There is a lot to talk about in Binance, because you can learn from all these options here in Binance. You can just learn, and learn. Also, very important, Binance has uh, academic section where you can go and you can learn to earn a little extra money while you learn about cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, and all about cryptocurrencies. You can earn money by doing that. But I'm gonna give you another insight on that note. When I make a different video, I'm gonna make a different video for that. For now, guys, this is all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, in case I'm making more videos. You'll get notified right away that I got a new video out, and you can go ahead and check it out. And don't forget to hit the like button. Share the video with your family, with your friends. Make everybody sign up. The more friends, the more people you got sign up with your referral code, you'll be earning extra cash with that. Remember, and the more you can earn, the better it is. You never know the near future, how it's gonna hold up for all of us. But as far as you got a way to earn money, I recommend you to go ahead and do that. It's very simple. You can just follow all these tips. You can do it on your own, or you can come back to my channel. I'll be uploading videos like this probably every week. And yes, thank you so much.